Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about a product that I never thought I'd be purchasing for my vehicle. And that's a license plate frame. The reason being, I never liked the advertising you got from the dealer plates when you purchase a new vehicle. I used to take those off. I didn't like if they were made of plastic because they would crack, or if they're made of metal, they scratch and they ruin the rear end of the car. And that's why I never had one, until now. I saw a product on Instagram, really intrigued me, and I wanted to check it out. And that is the Silicone license plate frame, and it's made by Right Car Solutions. And what's nice about this is that it's made of a soft, pliable silicone. It's got a very, very thin edging, so it doesn't obscure any part of the license plate. And it comes in a variety of colors, and also for motorcycles. So I'm about to put it on the car. I'm going to check it out, see how it looks, see how it fits, and I'll get back to you. Check it out. So now here is what it looks like on the vehicle. From afar you can see it's barely noticeable. If I zoom in a little closer, you can see the thin edging around the license plate, which is pretty cool. More importantly, I'm gonna feel secure that it's gonna protect the trunk lid from scratches and from rust. Especially now, I just got the car paint corrected and ceramic coated, so I want to protect it as much as possible. The cost is about $15 plus shipping. May not be for everybody. I picked it up. It's my first one I've ever put on this car. I like it. I'm going to feel secure about it. If you're interested in buying one or just getting more information on the product, I'll leave a link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel so you can check out the other things that I've got going on. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.